Well, we can get
We're at my favorite swimming hole that we know about out here. And my heart, my soul, my mind, my body.
Let's go!
Needs to go swimming here today.
Wait.
What do you think about that, buddy? As soon as we showed up, it got cloudy and started raining shortly after. So the sun just came back out. It's warming up a little. It's been 90 degrees, but today didn't turn out quite that warm.
I know, it's been like melt your face off hot. So we're like, let's go to the river today. And it's not melt your face off hot today.
Go. I've crossed the river 3 times so far, but I haven't actually gotten in the water. Being as skinny as I am, I get really cold and I have a hard time getting into cold water. So I like to jump in off a rock, but I have a plan. That water's cold.
It's not as bad as it usually is.
No, it feels like it's not. Anyway, all that drama.
It usually literally makes me gasp. Like I can't breathe for a few minutes when we first get in it every year.
Oh, it's flowing.
You were far away. Did someone save you?
Yeah, of course she did.
Gracie saved you. On your mark, get set, go! Balancing rocks is one of my favorite pastimes at the river. There's just something really peaceful about it and challenging and amazing when it actually works, and it often does. You would be surprised. Y'all should try it. Go to a river, balance rocks that shouldn't be balanced. I feel like I'm at the Olympics. Are you getting warmed up?
Yeah.
What are you doing with all this sand?
I gotta jump into the water and get cleaned off.
It's pretty smart. This sand is like super warm, so when they get cold in the water, they come out and like bury themselves in the sand, and then when they don't like the way it feels anymore, they jump in the water. Our whole goal today is no rushing. It's a perfect day.
Beautiful. Justice, what did you do?
Jump off that giant rock.
You jumped off that rock, and what does that mean?
What does that mean?
We get some ice cream.
We get ice cream.
Yeah, good job. Good five.
Woo!
Nice job. We've been going non-stop for about the past 8 days.
Month, really.
8 days has been especially busy, and we knew we needed a down day, a rest day. We worked straight through this last weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I mean, since we had rototilling the garden, we've been going non-stop that long.
Oh yeah.
So we took a down day today.
We have learned on this journey, and just in general, not just with farming and homesteading, that first of all, we have to rest. And we typically take 1 day a week to just totally rest. Usually Sundays, because we go to church and then we chill. But we've also learned that sometimes we have to work on Sundays. We have to work straight through a rest day. And that oftentimes we'll get, like in the past, we've gotten to points where we were just burned out and just wanted to quit. But we learned pretty quickly that honestly, if we'll just rest and not quit, we're rejuvenated and we have vision again, and we have what we need to carry on, and our passion is ignited again rather than put out.
So if you are feeling exhausted and burned out and you want to quit, it may mean you just need to rest. So
Yeah,
don't quit, just rest.
just rest. Wait, don't knock my ice cream off.
Molten flowers.
I said the lady.
Oh, yay! The bells are ringing.
Well, folks, it's been another great day on the homestead. We just got home. It's gorgeous here. We're headed into the house. The Sweet Homestead t-shirt is out again. The print is white. I got mine yesterday. I'm loving wearing it. And that white print just pops really beautifully on almost any of the colors. If you want to get that, if you want to get one of those, just go look at the link in the description. It took about, it almost took 2 weeks to get it because they print it in batches and mail it out. Anyway, we'll see y'all in a video real soon. We're gonna have an awesome video tomorrow because a bunch of cool stuff has happened, including new poultry hatching. A bunch of stuff happened today that we didn't include in this video that we'll show you all tomorrow. Bye.